Hey guys, my name is Brian and welcome to another episode of Firebird Fridays. Today, we're going to use this tool to remove the windshield trim on both the front and back glass of our 67 Firebird so we can start prepping for that new roof. So with that, let's get in, taking that trim off. All right guys, this is the Leslie 35-200 windshield trim remover. Quick thing, go ahead and get this out. All right guys, these are the two tools that we'll be using today to take out the windshield. That first one is this here. This is gonna grab the clips for the windshield molding and pull them so you can pull that chrome up. And this is the other one, which is you take the tip here and you slide it up under the glass and you pull it, kind of like in that motion. Both these tools, I'll have links down below where you can buy them. They're off Amazon. They're not expensive, you know, 20 bucks or so each, but they will make this job so much easier. So I just want to show you those two tools before we got into this video. So the tools used mostly to take off the side trim. We'll use that in a minute, but this bottom piece is held on by little screws all the way across. So first thing we're gonna do is we'll take all those off. We'll pull this bottom trim off. That way we can get to these side pieces. I'm also on hold. I was supposed to get the new roof panel in today. Took time off work, but when the truck showed up, it was a fender. And my invoice clearly says roof skin, not fender. So we're on hold. All right, so there's one of those. And as you can see, that lifts that up. There's another one. There's another one. See, already starting to come undone. I'll walk around and get those other ones. Looks like one right here. Oh, that's been removed before. So I got two here that are a different size. One more right here. Looks like there was one there at one time, but these two here are a smaller diameter. Change tips. There's that one over there. I'll bet you here in a minute. Okay, get that out, those last two, then this piece here should lift out. There it is. Oh, there's another one right there on this bottom side that was not on that side. Now I can see it. Oh, it was there. Just not screwed on. All right, now, yep, that should come off. Okay, lower windshield chrome is off. Let me turn this around. Kind of see those clips. Makes sense here. They just kind of slide and they tie down in. That's the bottom piece. All right, that's off. Then these are 2 on both sides with a Phillips head screw. That looks like that just kind of holds that window in place while it's drying. Next is going to be this thing. That's when I believe this tool will come in handy. Should be 1, 2, and 3. Oh, I think this one's already popped. See it? Just pops. And then, oh, it's already off. Okay. There are these little clips. One right here, one right here, one right here. Let me zoom you in on that. You can see the clip is right here. And what you're doing is you're taking the tool and you're getting behind it. And you're just basically pulling it that way to where it releases the clip. Alright, so the camera wasn't quite on you, but same principle. There's these little clips like here along the top side here. We got these 2 off. I'm gonna go to the other side and grab that other one. Keith, I'm gonna have to move you, buddy. And you're keeping a watchful eye on me. So we're on this side, might as well pull this side off as well. That one there might already be halfway off. There's that one. And we know from that other side over there that this one here was kind of up the top. There it is. Okay. All right, second one's off. All right. Now, get this under there, lift it up a little. There it is right there, got it. You'll feel it. Got it off. All right. All right, so we have taken the trim all the way off. So now this windshield is just sitting in here with the 50-year-old glue. But those clips, and that's essentially what you're doing is you're pulling that clip that way, and that's pulling the trim piece up and off. Let's see, there's one right there. There's one right here. There's supposed to be some. So next thing I'm gonna do is put the camera in. We're going to take another tool. This tool right here. And that is what we're gonna use to take the glass and cut the glass out and off of the car. So let me, there's a link down below if you wanna buy this or the other tool down below. Yeah, it will make me $1 or $2 or probably a penny or two when it's all said and done. But anyways, let's put the camera back in and let's pull this windshield out. Take this tool, get it underneath the glass. This is here, you can already see it already. I don't have to do much. Let's get this out. you're gonna have to pull off all kinds of gook. Come here about the center point. Get it up in there. Pull it. Whew. I almost think you should put a hairdryer on this where it heats. I'm trying to keep that blade straight while I pull. Alright. Same concept. Grab my stool. So we went around, we cut out the window in essence, and you can see there's these big chunks. So I'm gonna stick my hand through, and you can see this is just gonna come completely off. Hey, before you go, next week's Firebird Friday video, I'm gonna show you how to take off all of your aluminum trim. That's gonna be next week's Firebird Friday video, so make sure you come back next Friday and check out this video. Now let's get back to the window. Now it is cracked here from when we went to pick the car up, so we know we're gonna have to get a new one of these. But she's out. Brought you guys in close so you can kind of just see all the cleanup that we're gonna have to do here. So stick around, we'll get 50 years of Oklahoma dirt out of here and see what else we can figure out from all of this fun stuff. Sticky. All right, here we go. So here's kind of where we're at. Now I didn't take off a ton of material just yet. I kind of just did a basic cleanup, and looks like my brother left something laying on the dashboard for 25 years or whatever. But did get it out. And no, there's pitting, but you know, nothing that I'm too concerned with in a sense. And of course then we know up here, I still got some more goo to get out. But we know that all this is going to be replaced. So once that new roof comes in, we'll be able to cut this one off and see how we match up. If we need to put in some patchwork, we'll put in some patchwork. So, but yeah, it's not a pretty sight. All right, guys, so next week I will show you, again, like I teased you earlier, how to remove the chrome off your Firebird or your Camaro, and how to do it safely without messing everything up. All right, guys, this is gonna wrap it up for our video on how to remove the chrome windshield framing, molding around the windshield, and removing the windshield on our 67 Firebird. If you enjoyed the video, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, maybe drop a comment down below. Let me know if you're working on a first-gen Firebird yourself or Camaro. I would love to know about that. And with that being said, please check out these other videos that I have listed around me to continue to watch on the rebuild of this 1967 Pontiac Firebird. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next week on another episode of Firebird Fridays.